How to add or change a phone number on Shein. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Shein application in your mobile device. After that, make sure to log into your account. Once you get to this shop page, now navigate to the bottom right corner and then tap on the Me icon. Now you will get to your profile page. Now again, navigate to top right corner and tap on Gear icon. Now once you land on settings page, tap on Manage my account at the top section. Now under your Manage my account, there you'll have an option as email, phone number, change password, delete account or delete your information. Now to add or change the phone number, tap on phone number. Since I have not added any phone number, it will ask me to add the phone number. Now, to add the phone number, all you have to do is type in your phone number with your country code. Under that, you have to enter the verification. Once you type in the phone number, now tap on send. After that, you will receive a verification in your mobile number. Go back and check for the verification. After that, type in the verification right here and then tap on submit. Once you're verified, your phone number will be added into Shein. Now to change your phone number, you have to come to the same page under this manage my account section. Now once you have already added your phone number, there you will get an option to change. Tap on it and then type in your new number that you would like to change. After that, again, you have to verify your number. Once you verify your number will be changed in Shein. So that's the way to add or change phone number on Shein, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.